If you get an E20 or an E21 error code on your washing machine, or if the machine seems to be taking longer to drain than usual, check if your machine has a front filter flap. If it does, some routine filter maintenance could fix the problem. Start by opening the flap and placing a low-sided container under the water spout. Pull the spout down and water will begin to run out. On some machines, you may need to turn the filter to start the flow. If the container starts to get too full, tighten the filter and empty the container, mopping up any spills as you go. Once the water has finished running out, release the filter the rest of the way and slide it out. You can then remove any loose items, but take care as some items may be sharp. Give the filter a clean and rinse if necessary. Then, use a pen or similar to ensure the pump impeller is not jammed and can turn inside the housing. Once clean, refit the filter, tighten it up and close the flap door. The machine is now ready to use again. If the error message or slow draining continues, you may need to check the sink trap drain spigot or the actual drain is clear. If this isn't something you feel confident doing, our consumer care team will be happy to arrange for a technician to visit.